Today I'm going to show you how to turn on third-party sign-in on Google Chrome, step by step, so you can allow websites to show sign-in prompts from identity services. This is a quick browser setting, but it can be very helpful if you're trying to log in with Google, Microsoft, or other supported sign-in providers and the prompt is being blocked. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is running, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the More button, which is the 3 vertical dots. Click that menu to open Chrome's settings options. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. This will take you to the main Chrome settings page, where you can control privacy, security, site permissions, and other browser preferences. Now look at the left sidebar and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the options that manage how Chrome handles cookies, browsing data, permissions, and website behavior. Once you're inside Privacy and Security, look in the main center pane and click Site Settings. Site Settings is where Chrome lets you manage what websites can do, including access to things like your camera, microphone, pop-ups, and sign-in behavior. Scroll down until you reach the bottom of the page. At the bottom, expand Additional Content Settings. This section contains a few advanced browser options, including the setting we need for third-party sign-in. Now click Third-Party Sign-In. When this option opens, you should see the setting that says Sites can show sign-in prompts from identity services. Turn this on or make sure it's selected, depending on how it appears in your browser version. This allows websites to display sign-in prompts from supported identity services, which can help if a login window or account prompt was previously blocked in Chrome. Once that setting is enabled, you can close the Settings tab. There's no need to restart Chrome in most cases, but if a website still doesn't behave correctly, refreshing the page or reopening the browser can help the change take effect. And that's it. You've now turned on third-party sign-in in Google Chrome. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference when a website needs to show a trusted sign-in prompt. If this guide helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tutorials, browser tips, and helpful troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.